everyone. I'm Kanchan Sardana, working as an assistant professor in RPIT campus, Vastara, Karnataka. Hope you all are doing well. So today we will discuss about the ointments. So what are ointments? Ointments are the semi-solid dosage form which are used for the topical application. And ointments are used for those drugs which cannot be taken by oral route or by any parenteral route, or the drugs which are sensitive through the oral route get easily digested by first pass metabolism. So we use semi-solid dosage form as ointment for the topical application which give higher level of efficacy. So there are different types of the ointments. So it is classified on the basis of two. First, depending upon the penetration level. So in our skin there are different layers, and our ointment penetrate through that layer and give the action of the drug. So depending upon the penetration through the different layer where we want to penetrate the drug, it divided into three. First is the epidermic ointment. So epidermic ointment include, these are the, we have skin of three layers: epidermis, didermis and hypodermis. So epidermic ointments are the ointments which are penetrate into the epidermis, that is the upper layer of the skin. So we use these ointment as antiseptic for the protective action and for the emollient action also. Then endodermic ointments, these are the ointments which penetrate into the deeper layer, that is this layer, dermis layer, where cutaneous tissues are present. So endodermic ointments are enter into the deeper layer, penetrate into the deeper layers of cutaneous tissue. So they give emollient action. Emollient action means they give protective action from the diseases. Then didermic ointment, these enter into the another deeper layer of the skin where blood vessels are present and the sebaceous glands are present, where they can enter the didermic ointment. They give stimulant effect. The veins and the capillaries are present. They stimulate that and increases the blood circulation. So didermic ointments are penetrate into the deeper last layer of the skin. So depending upon the penetration, they are classified into three. Then next is the depending upon the therapeutic level of the drug or therapeutic activity with the drug we incorporate in the ointment. These are divided into different classes. First is the antibiotic ointment. Antibiotic ointments are the ointments which decreases or kill the growth of the microbes. So antibiotic, as we take antibiotic orally, but for the skin purpose or topical purpose we use ointment or creams. So antibiotic ointments are neomycin, bacteriocin. These are the ointments which are available in the market also. Then antifungal. Sometimes skin में क्या होता है, फंगल इन्फेक्शन हो जाता है. So to reduce the fungal infection we use antifungal ointments also. For example, salicylic acid, benzoic acid. Then anti-inflammatory drugs. Sometimes if there is inflammation in the layers of the skin, so anti-inflammatory ointments are used which decreases the inflammation in the skins. Example is betamethasone, maybe steroid. It is also act as anti-inflammatory and steroidal drug also. Then antipyretic. Antipyretic are the agents which reduces the irritation in the skin. The examples are colta and benzocaine. Then astringent ointments are also available. These what they do, they as our skin has pores in it, so astringent, if we apply the astringent ointment, they close the pores present in the skins and precipitate the proteins. So when pores open, they cause the infection in the skin. So calamine lotion or calamine ointment, zinc oxide ointments are used as an anti-astringent ointments. Then they are also used for the dandruff treatment. Example is cetrimide to reduce the dandruff. Then keratolytics are to remove the horny scalpels or horny layers of the skin. So these are also used as keratolytic. Then there are other different purposes. Other examples are they also come in the anti-enzymatic ointment which reduces the eczema also. So there are different classes depending upon the therapeutic activity or we can say pharmacological action के base पे भी क्या है ointment divided है. So this is the all about the types of the ointment. Thank you.